Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX, and in this particular video I'll show you how you can show upload speed and download speed, whether you connected to Bluetooth or connected to Wi-Fi or your own internet connection. It's gonna show you the upload speed and download speed here on the taskbar. Okay, so let's get started. So it's a pretty simple steps. Just go to your browser. I'm gonna use my Chrome browser, and right here NetSpeed monitor. Okay, so I'm gonna use this site, Softpedia. Download NetSpeed monitor. Remember the site name, okay? Softpedia. So click here and this page is gonna open up, and you have to simply click on download now. Okay, so it's done, and don't go anywhere, just watch the full video because and I have 64 bits, so click here. Okay, and don't go anywhere, watch the full video because it's not gonna install immediately like normally you install other apps. You have to make some changes, so let it download first, then we'll talk about it. You see it's downloaded now. I'll just gonna open it on the downloads folder. Downloads. See, it's downloaded. As I said before, it's not gonna install directly like other apps, like you double click on it and it's gonna like, oh, operating system not supported, because it's a old version. So just cut this, and what you have to do, right click and go on this option, troubleshoot and compatibility. Click here, it's gonna show something like that, and you have to click on test the program. Okay, then next. If you feeling open-minded, just donate here or just click next, and install. It's done. Okay, okay, done. Then finish and cancel, and here you will see this pop-up. Do you want the NetSpeed monitor toolbar on your taskbar? Like, do you want it on taskbar? Of course yes, that's the whole point, right? So click on yes, and okay, showing here, you see it's U means upload speed, download speed. And another thing, you can customize it here. Just right click and go to configuration. If you are not using Wi-Fi like me, I'm using Wi-Fi, you are using Bluetooth device for internet or virtual adapter or something like that, you can choose that also. It's default, it's chosen my internet connection, which is Wi-Fi. And you can even edit this text here, like UG, upload speed, download speed. You have to go to layout, and you see here you can select any style you want here, any size you want, like I can choose 10, any size you want. You can glow, then there's a bold, and this kind of customization you can do. And you can even change the text, like instead of D you can write download. So I'm not gonna do those kind of things because it's simple as it is. It looks great to me. Okay, apply, and because I chose 10 size, is gets bigger. And another thing, like sometime maybe this pop-up is not gonna show like add it to taskbar. So in that case, it's a situation. In that case, go to your this piece C drive and go to program files, and here you will find NetSpeed monitor. And in case it doesn't show here, you have to come here and click here, and when you double click it, the pop-up is gonna show, in case that doesn't show in the beginning. Alright, so done. That's all for this video, and hope you liked it. And it really looks cool, showing upload speed, download speed, so you'll know if the background update is running, because you can see there's a high download speed. Alright, so there's so many benefit of that. So thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.